Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for the last summer roll recipe, we are making a Zoodle summer roll with a really delicious, creamy chili mango sauce. You don't want to miss this last episode. If you want to know exactly how to make it, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So to make these Zoodle summer rolls, the first thing we're gonna do is make our creamy, nice mango sauce to dip it in. So the first thing we wanna do is get out our blender or whatever you're using. And then to that, I'm going to add mango. And then this is mainly tahini, but underneath that I've also got sambal or the chili garlic sauce and then a minced garlic too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add all that. It's gonna make it nice and creamy. And tahini, if you don't know what that is, it's basically just ground up sesame seeds. It's in hummus and a lot of that type of cuisine. And then to that, I'm gonna add some rice wine vinegar and honey. There you go. Perfect. And if you want to keep it completely vegan, then you just add agave instead of honey. And then I'm just going to add a little pinch of salt. And that is it. Go ahead and blend that up. All right, that looks perfect. Gonna go ahead and pour that in my bowl. Ooh. Perfect, nice and creamy. All right, and that is our dressing. So now let's move on to making our actual rolls. All right, and then for the last time, this is what the rice paper looks like. Take it out, looks exactly like a rice paper. I've got my shallow bowl here that I'll let my wrapper sit for about 15 to 20 seconds. I like to pull it out a little bit earlier because I do like to work with it when it's a little bit hard still and keeps its shape. But as you work with it, you'll notice that it just kind of gets softened. So what I did here for my inside ingredients is I've got some red onions chopped, some red bell peppers. This is Zoodle, so I use my spiralizer with my zucchini to create these noodles. Then I've got some red cabbage and carrots. So I'm going to start off with adding some of my Zoodles. And you'll notice that a lot of times when people make these summer rolls, they'll add rice noodles instead. So this is a little bit more carb friendly. Add some cilantro. You can also add mint here if you don't like cilantro. Some red bell peppers. Some carrots. Beautiful. Love all those colors. So now, as I've been showing you all month long, you take the side that's closest to you, fold inside, and then take one side, fold it inwards, take the other side, fold that to the middle, and then you just roll. And everything stays inside. Perfect. So let's keep making more. All right, so let me show you guys one more time. You just take the side that's closest to you, fold over, then you fold both sides over like this, and then you just roll. And there you go. All done. So now let's go ahead and cut one of these. Let's cut this one and show you guys the beautiful colors inside. Oh, look at that. So fresh, so green, red. You've got all the colors of the rainbow in there. And now let's do a little taste test. And I gotta have my dipping sauce. So, whoop. There you go. Get a bunch on there. All right, this is absolutely delicious. You saw how easy and quickly it came together. So definitely make this at your next hosting event, at your next barbecue, and everyone will love it. So if you guys like these types of summer rolls, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. I absolutely recommend making this, and absolutely delicious. You have to make this. It's so nice and easy. So definitely make it at your All right, this is absolutely delicious.